So anticipation is building as Samsung is set to reveal its much anticipated Galaxy S24 lineup next month. Although the company hasn't said anything about the pricing yet, a recent report from South Korea hints at positive developments for prospective buyers. According to the Korea Economic Daily, which has a good track record, the Galaxy S24 lineup will mirror the pricing structure of its predecessor, the S23 lineup. If the information holds true, consumers can expect the S24 to be priced at $799, $999 for the S24 Plus, and $1199 for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Interestingly, the report mentions that the reason Samsung didn't increase the prices despite advancements in features, especially in AI, is the Exynos chip. You heard that right, opting for Exynos chips for the non-Ultra models gave Samsung a better negotiating position to lower the unit price of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For context, the unit price of the 8 Gen 2 chip on the S23 Ultra was approximately $160, whereas the same Exynos chip on the Pixel phone was priced at just $50. Notably, the chip was the second costliest component on the phone following the display. And I guess it's the main reason Samsung went back to Exynos, because they knew it would make Qualcomm want to offer Samsung better prices and deals to keep working together. Moving on, recently we saw that you can generate wallpapers from scratch on the S24 with One UI 6.1. And now we have a video showcasing how it actually works thanks to Bennett Burner. The video indicates that users can choose a theme, prompting their phone to autonomously generate a distinct wallpaper based on their selection. Interestingly, this process bears resemblance to that seen on the Pixel 8, but with the S24's on-device AI, it's expected to perform this task without the need for an internet connection. If AI-generated wallpapers aren't your liking, there's another feature to look forward to. The video showcases the ability to elevate the lock screen experience by incorporating dynamic weather effects ranging from snowy and rainy to sunny and more. For those wondering if these features will extend to existing flagships like the S23 Ultra and Z Fold 5, the answer is affirmative. Although it might not match the speed seen on the S24 Ultra, Samsung is likely to bring these advancements to current flagships as well. On a related note, Best Buy currently offers an enticing flat $300 discount on the Z Fold 5, accompanied by an additional $50 free gift card. If you're interested, you can find the link to this offer in the description. Moving on, we have another video leak of One UI 6.1 on the S24, confirming that Samsung is set to integrate generative AI into its keyboard app as well. The Samsung keyboard will boast a new option called generative AI, offering users a choice of 4 powerful generative AI models. These models include Palm 2 from Google, GPT-4 from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, Gecko, a variant of Palm 2 from Google, and SCS, potentially developed by Samsung. The generative AI integration in Samsung keyboard goes a step further by allowing users to select from 2 language translation models, LLM and on-device. LLM may require an internet connection for real-time translations, while on-device will offer an entirely offline language translation experience. While the specific capabilities of these generative AI models in Samsung keyboard are yet to be fully disclosed, it is expected that they will offer advanced features such as grammar improvement, language translation, better text prediction, text summarization, and more. By the way, I've showcased tons of other new features on the S24 Ultra in this video. You can find it here, and I'll see you there.